Hey guys, welcome to a new video on my channel. Today, as you can see, we will go on another winter photography vlog. So with me I have my Lumix G7 with the 1442 kit lens and currently recording here with the GoPro Hero 9. Normally the settings should be okay. So currently the GoPro is recording with 2.7K, so I hope that the footage looks good too. And yeah, today we will go for some landscape shots and nature shots, all we can get. As you can see, perfect conditions. Last 2 days all that snow came down, so 2 days ago there was nothing here. Now have a look at this winter wonderland. And yeah, I don't want to talk too much and let's go. Have a look over there. Perfect. Oh, really perfect. Looks like this little pond, or I don't know what's this, but oh, are there fish inside? Have a look. Oh, here we have a beaver too. Pretty good start, as I searched this route 2 hours ago during homeschooling. So we are now 2 days at home, and next week we will start again in the school. And yeah, let's look where it will go. So perfect. Let's give this idea a try. Yeah. Oh wow, look in there. Oh, this looks now kinda strange. This looks kinda uncomforting. Do you think I should go through there? Oh. I think these shots are not that good, but let's have a look where we go. Oh, let's get there. Now you can see the low light performance of the GoPro 2. So, oh, there's again some water, but you know, I don't want to get my hands wet, so I go out here. Here we go. Have a look up there. Perfect. Oh, here is the water which trickles here. Cute. Oh, have a look up there. Yeah, perfect. So I think it's time for a tea break now, as I have a can of tea with me, you know. Cannot tell me that this isn't a strange feeling. Such dark forest. I mean, have a look. This looks absolutely creepy in my opinion. and I will get away from here. Something is in there. I don't know if it's down here on the ground. Yep, there is something in. I don't know if you hear the cracks on the GoPro, but I can hear them. Something cracking around. No, not gonna go back there. So my tea break is cancelled now. I don't want to sit here. Such a strange feeling. Over there you can see the reason why I'm shooting today here in the valley and not up in the Bohemian forest, because everything is up there full in fog. So I'm taking the chance and go over there. So I think over there we got enough pictures. So I will head now home, and I'm inside of a... Am I inside of a cage or not? Now the question is, no, that's not the electrical fence. But how do I get out of here? Oh yeah, I'm inside of a cage. Whew. Now a pull would be the right thing, and the day would be complete. Oh, let's look at here. Maybe some details here. Oh, have a look at this one. good motive maybe. Looks not that bad. Now that was no stupid. Perfect. So camera is inside and hopefully not frozen. And now comes the really good part for this hike. This one. So as you can see, it's a solar power bank. So with the sun I can load it with the sun energy. There we go. And now, oh, outside is cold. Now let's hope it's warm. Oop. Moment of truth. Oh, let's get on. Perfect. I hope you liked the video and I could show you some great landscapes here in Austria, so basically in Upper Austria, and I hope you liked it. In case you liked it, then I would really appreciate it if you liked the video, share it with your friends or subscribe to my channel. I want to make plenty of this kind of videos, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I recommend you always take such a can with you, with tea, you know, perfect thing you can do, especially in times like this. It's really a golden moment if you can make such memories, and yeah, I hope you liked it. Bye.